Hello everyone. So today I'm making a card and this is my first video, so please be nice. Okay, so firstly we are taking Distress Oxide ink in the shade Carved Pumpkin and we are blending it. Now we'll take the shade Picked Raspberry and we'll do the blending with this. We'll take it in the middle below the Carved Pumpkin and continue blending. Try to make it nice and soft and we'll cover it. After this we are going to take the shade Crushed Olive. This is a nice olive color and we'll do the blending at the bottom from this. So after blending it, I thought it was looking a bit yellow. So then I took the shade Evergreen Bow. So after like evergreen bow, and now we'll color it over the olive color so that it gives us a little nice greenish tone nicely. So it looks very nice and dreamy right now. Sorry for the focus. I'm also doing it for the first time, so I'll just learn on the way. And now we'll take a double-sided foam tape and cover all the four sides. Yeah, so now after covering all the four sides, I'll repeat it 2 times more. So we'll have 3 layers of foam. And whatever the gap was there in between, I took glue and attached it. Now these borders, these frames, sorry, not borders, I've cut from my Cricut. So I measured the exact size of the whole panel and I made a little frame. So these are like total 5 pieces of frame, 4 white and 1 black. So we'll cover it, we'll like attach it together and we'll color the main panel with the frame. So now this is, I'm just attaching and putting glue and making the frame. Yeah, like this. So these are tiny bubble boxes which I have cut again from my Cricut of various sizes, and on few I have made a smiley face or maybe love, I've written smile, and everything is cut from different cardstocks from my Cricut machine. And now there are some sequences which I've put inside, and now I'm adding the acetate sheet on top of it. Now after this I'll take my stamp set and now I'll stamp the different sentiments on my bubble sheets. So these also have cut from my bubble dies, which I'll show later. So these are just random sentiments I'm stamping on my bubbles. These are called conversation bubbles. Yeah, very cute. I'm using my VersaFine ink, and there was a small mark, ink mark, so I erased it with my sand eraser. Yeah, so this is the happy birthday stamp. Yes, so now after stamping, I'll have to assemble all the cards. So now I'll take the frame which I made and the panel with the conversation boxes. So I've taken out few from this and also put the love you die cut at one specific spot. Now I'll attach the frame. So now we have the whole panel. The front of the card is ready. Now I'm assembling and putting the conversation bubbles wherever I want to. So I'm just putting glue and attaching them. So now this is the shaker card which is ready. Now we need to make the base of the card. So to make the base of the card, I am taking the classic Neenah Solar Crest in 110 lb. And now I'm measuring my width of the card and I'll cut it from my Tim Holtz trimmer. And after cutting it, I'll score it in the middle, and after scoring it once, I'll again score it in the middle. So I'm confused here where to score it, here or there, but I'll score it in the middle again. Yeah, and now I'll fold it again. So now this is the base for my easel card. Now the only thing left for me to do is attach the card to the folded area. So we attach glue to the folded area. Now it's a standing card. Now I have cut these, I think these are 8 pieces. Yeah, so these are total 8 pieces. And now we'll use, this is the die cut I used. And now we'll stick it on my card base so that we can use it as a blocker when the card wants to stand. And I thought it was not straight, so I used my ruler to make it straight. And now that's it. This is the card. I hope you like it. Yeah, this is the first video I've made. I really hope you like it and support me. Yeah, please like, share and subscribe so that I can keep making new videos and learn from my mistakes. Thank you.